Okay, so here we're going to simplify. We have 25 times x to the 8th times y divided by 5 times x to the 9th times y to the negative 5th. So for this we will be using our quotient rule for exponents, which states if you have two like bases and you are dividing those terms, what you're going to do is subtract your exponents. Take your numerator exponent minus your denominator exponent. So we can do this as long as we are dividing like bases. So for this first problem, start with your constants, 25 divided by 5, and just divide that normally. So 25 divided by 5 is 5. Now let's take a look at our x's and our y's. So here's where we're going to use our rule. X to the 8th divided by x to the 9th. Like bases, so we're going to subtract top exponent minus our denominator exponent. Okay, and we're going to do the same thing for the y's. Y divided by y to the negative 5th. So a couple things here. First, if you don't see an exponent, it is assumed to be 1. Okay, so we're going to take y raised to the 1 minus. Now here, be very careful of your signs. That's a negative 5. So it's going to be 1 minus negative 5. So let's subtract. Just bring your 5 down. It's x. 8 minus 9 is negative 1. And then y, 1 minus negative 5. Those two negatives make a positive. 1 plus 5 is 6. Okay. We are also going to be using our negative exponent rule, which we have a negative 1 as an exponent. So we need to move its location. We need to take that entire term to the bottom so that exponent becomes positive. Okay, so the 5 is going to stay exactly where it's at. It has a positive 1 exponent. The y is going to stay exactly where it's at. It has a positive 6 exponent. And then the x term is where we're going to utilize our rule. Take that to the bottom so that exponent becomes positive. And if you have an exponent of 1, you can actually leave it and just rewrite that as 5y to the 6 and leave that 1 off of that exponent for the x. It is assumed to be 1 if you don't see it.